They shall never go to a place of a householder except for the purpose of taking food or religious assembly, and shall never while away their time, but shall pass it in devotion of Sri Bhagwan. To the place of a householder where food is served by a male and females are not likely to be visible, to such a house only my sadhus shall go for taking food. If this be not possible, then shall they beg uncooked foodstuffs only, and then prepare or cook food for themselves, and partake it after offering it to Lord Sri Krishna. In the remote past, Bharatji, the son of Rishabdev, lived and behaved on earth like a detached Brahman. All my Paramhansas and Sadhus here shall also live and behave similarly. All Brahmacharis and Sadhus shall carefully abstain from the use of betel leaves, opium, and tobacco. They shall not take food prepared on the occasion of sanskaras like conception, or all rites of obsequies up to the 11th and 12th day after death. Except in emergency like sickness, they shall not sleep by day, nor knowingly indulge in or hear gossips. Except in emergency like sickness, they shall not sleep on a cot, and shall always be frank and straightforward with other sadhus. Whenever a wicked person abuses them or beats them, they shall never abuse him nor beat him in return, but shall pardon him and always wish good of him. They shall not act as an agent for others, nor shall they do backbiting, nor shall they be spies, nor shall they have attachment for their body, nor shall they entertain feelings for intimacy with their relatives. I have thus described before, in brief, general and special dharmas of all my followers. For further details, they shall refer to other shastras of my holy fellowship. I have myself extracted substance from all the shastras, and then have written this Shikshapatri, which fulfills all desires of all men. Therefore, all my followers shall always lead their lives with care, in conformity with these precepts of Shikshapatri, but shall never act arbitrarily according to their whims. All my male and female followers who act according to the precepts of this Shikshapatri shall indeed attain all the four Purusharthas. All male and female followers of my holy fellowship shall consider all the males and females who live and behave against the precepts of this Shikshapatri as outcast, apostates from my holy fellowship. All my followers shall daily read this Shikshapatri. Those who are not able to read shall hear it daily with respect. And when a reader of Shikshapatri is not readily available, they shall worship it daily. All followers shall honor my word as my image with deep reverence. This Shikshapatri shall only be given to persons endowed with spiritual qualities, but shall never be given to persons with wicked tendencies. This Shikshapatri is written by me on Vasant Panchami, that is, on the 5th day of the bright half of the month of Maha of Vikram Samvat 1882, and is indeed all auspicious. May Lord Shri Krishna, destroyer of all miseries of his followers, protector of bhakti with dharma, and bestower of all desired happiness to his bhakts, bestow on us all bliss and peace divine.
सतशास्त्र सहुनु आछे सार बुद्धिमाही में करी विचार पछी शिक्षापत्री लखी सारी रे पछी शिक्षापत्री लखी सारी मनवांछित फल देनारी मनवांछित फल देनारी स्वामी नारायण 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 स्वामी नारायण 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 स्वामी नारायण 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 स्वामी नारायण 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 स्वामी नारायण नारायण जय स्वामी नारायण नारायण स्वामी नारायण स्वामी नारायण स्वामी नारायण स्वामी नारायण स्वामी नारायण 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 स्वामी नारायण 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 स्वामी नारायण 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 स्वामी नारायण 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 સ્વામિનારાયણ 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 નારાયણ નારાયણ સ્વામી નારાયણ 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 સ્વામિનારાયણ નારાયણ નારાયણ સ્વામી નારાયણ નારાયણ નારાયણ